Hey guys, today I want to talk about facial cupping. So in Chinese medicine, there are so many things that we can see on the face, and so one of the diagnostic methods is actually looking at the facial features and the creases, which tell us also about the emotions of a person. And so if you look closely at someone's face, you can see if they're smiling a lot, if they're frowning a lot, if they're always excited or thinking about something with a lot of lines on the forehead. And while I love human expression and seeing little lines that show our age and maturity, at this stage of my life, I'm going to be 38 this year. I want to dedicate a little more time to caring for my skin, especially skin on my face. So I started using facial cupping once a week. And I also started doing microdermabrasion with a little ruler. So I'll do a video on that later on. But for today, I want to show you a set. I got this set online, Lure. You can buy a different brand. Basically, it comes with these soft silicone cups that you apply on your skin. And there's a smaller one that you can use around the areas like the eyes or even here where you can get a better grip. Always wash your face really well before starting this. If you wear makeup or foundation, make sure that you wipe that clean. I generally don't wear any foundation or any type of makeup like that. When I do use makeup, I'll do my eyebrows, I'll put mascara, and I'll do a lip liner, and that's basically my makeup routine for the day. And it's just because I'm very light-skinned, light-haired, and so my features don't stand out as much unless I fill in my eyebrows with a little bit of a darker color. Otherwise, you can barely see my eyebrows. And my eyelashes are actually very long, but I have to apply mascara for that to be seen. So I'm gonna get to the cupping portion of this video, and feel free to join me if you have a set, or save this video for a later use. Alright, so for your base, like I said, you need to moisturize. You can use coconut oil or any type of oil that you already are comfortable using on your face, because you don't want to break out if you use a heavy oil, which can clog up your pores. So I'm using a marigold pomade, that's saturated with beta carotene and vitamin E. So I already applied that on my skin. You can see that it's shiny. I'm going to use the bigger cup. So basically, to create suction, you press on the cup while you apply the cup on your face to create that suction. And with that suction, slide the cup from the bottom of your jawline and out. And I like to do it 9 times. So create the suction, slide it, and pull it off. And these are very soft, very light. So if you see how I'm pulling on the skin, I'm not really pulling on the skin. That's just the traction from the cup. So you'll do that 9 times. You can do one side of the face first, just so you see the difference in the invigorating the blood in this area of the face that you're doing first, or if you want to do it symmetrically, you can do that. So let's say I did 9 on my jawline, then I'm gonna go from my mouth upwards. So right now, for the purpose of demonstrating in the video, I'm doing it 3 times, but try to go 9 times. Under the zygomatic bone, to creating those beautiful cheeks and then going over the cheek. You see how there's redness already in my skin, which is a good sign. Now I'm going to use a smaller cup around my eyes. And so if you see, when I smile, I'm starting to get these crow's feet here, which that's fine, but I want to care for my skin so I don't look like a wrinkled sack of potatoes. And if you're one of those people that likes to sunbathe a lot, like I used to do back in the day, I don't do that anymore, you probably got more wrinkles from sun damage. So I'm going now on my crow's feet and out. And again, try to do it 9 times. I'm going to use the bigger one again. I'm going to go in the center of my forehead and between my eyebrows, getting this frowny line. When I was a kid, I always used to frown like this, so now I have this big frown here, frowny line, and go upwards. So you're going center in between your eyebrows and going up towards the scalp. So I'm just going to do it 3 times. And you see the blood being drawn to the area where I'm cupping. Now I'm going to go to the side, going down, above, or you can even incorporate your eyebrows. I'm going above and out to the side. So you see, create the suction and out. I'm going higher, center, out, center, and out. And then one more on top and all the way down. 2, 3. And then do the other side of your face. You see the difference? How much more blush I have on the right than on the left. So try it out for yourself. Let me know how it goes. Obviously, to get some kind of results, you should do it on a regular. I'd say, start with at least once a week and then monitor it throughout the weeks and see if there's any change in your skin tone, in the depth of the wrinkles, fine lines and wrinkles. Also, for those of you that suffer with tight jaw muscles, especially masseter right here, the big chewing, biting muscle, you can also use cupping for that. So it's not just for the beauty of it. You can really use facial cupping as part of relief for the muscles that are tight in your jaw. It will not solve your TMJ dysfunction if that's the case, but it can definitely help ease the stress on the muscles in your face. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!